Hello, Weekly Wedding Singer here. I'm going to teach you how to crack your own back with the high knee kick technique. First of all, you kick your knee high as possible across your body and then swing your left elbow at the same time. Let me show you how it's done. So you kick and you cross your elbow like so. 1, 2, 3. And there you go. Please consult your chiropractor, doctor, physical therapist. I'm just a wedding singer. Peace out.